Hello, baby lovers. Longest time not speaking to. How is everybody doing? Happy new month. Welcome to a typical day in the life of a content creator, a single mom, a businesswoman, and of course, a cook. Okay, so on this day, my daughter had common entrance examination, so we had to leave the house as early as 4 a.m. so we can get to the venue on time. And then when we left, after the whole hustle and stress of the day, trust my Nigerian people, nothing ever moves smoothly. One delay, one trial, one issue to another. We finally made it back. Coming back home, I was so hungry and tired and frustrated. So I decided to stop in my former place of work and to see what I can do so we can eat something. And then we went there. And as I got there, lo and behold, they were short-staffed. So I do what I do best. I went into the kitchen and they needed help with the seafood okra. Trust your girl to take in the opportunity. So I clicked in, I went in, helped them to cut the okra, and then after cutting the okra, it still wasn't fast enough. We have customers waiting. But it didn't stop us from jiggling. Oh, I get to meet our old staffs, my old colleagues, and they were all bubbling and joy. We dance a little, we take some selfie for the good time. And voila, this is the seafood okra. Came back home after I helped them. I decided to do mine and then to use it to create content. But guys, the hunger was not agreeing with it. So I tried to shoot this content, but my tummy was doing, in fact, I think my tummy had his mind of his own because he wasn't even listening to me. So I tried. I take one, take two, take three. We still couldn't get the big shot. So I said, you know what? What will happen if I eat a little? Let me just taste a little, As they say, an hungry man is a frustrated man. So I said, you know what? Content you can hold on. No, let my tummy be filled up first. After then, we'll think of another content. Because this particular one, no. It's not working. No, it didn't day. It didn't day in any manner, way or form. It wasn't clicking. The content was not contenting. Hunger na your mates. So this is me all tired up. Whoa! Look at the person that was supposed to be creating content. I said, let me have small taste. And before you know it, more swallow was going in. So this seafood okra for the client was actually with fresh fish and prawns. But because I was taking mine home, I added beef. So I made mine with beef. And I'm going to do a more video of it, more detailed video. But for now, I hope you had fun just laughing and spending your day with me because this was crazy. It was so delicious. So delicious. And guess what, guys? Even after eating almost half of the food, and I remember that I have a chill, fresh palm wine in the fridge. Oh boy, I use it to step it down. And oh God, at that moment, that is when my brain received the life it needed. God, that was wonderful. Anyway, we have to go back to work. So we decided to create our contents from whatever we have left. We just have to change the contents. So that is it for me, guys. I hope you had fun laughing with me. See you on my next post. Bye.